Good morning, classmates. How are you all doing? I am good. Thank you for asking. We have started the chapter number 8. What is the chapter's name? A reverse autobiography, right? Jay, tell me the difference between biography and autobiography. Means I cannot hear you, Jay. Please speak louder. That means autobiography. No, Jay. Pragya, which is written by others. Very good, Pragya. Jay, sit down. Okay. Biography means a book that is written by someone else about a personality or about a person. When we write a book on our life, ourselves, then it is called autobiography. Auto, wherever this word comes, it means, I told you now, what is the meaning of auto? Anyone? You don't remember? Yes? Self. Very good. Auto means self. Have a seat, better. Automobile, automatic, right? All of these words where we have auto, it means self. Autobiography means something which we have written ourselves about us. Clear? So we read about the introduction of this chapter, right? It was about a fair. What was the name of the fair? Mahakumbh Mela. The name of the fair was Mahakumbh Mela. And when did it happen? Once in every 12 years. Only once in every 12 years. It happened last time when? 2025. In which city? Prayagraj. Okay. What happens in the fair? People take dip or people take a bath in the Sangam. Sangam of three rivers. Name? Yes, Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. People take a dip, and it is believed that their sins are washed away and they are showered with blessings. Sins means, what is the meaning of sins? Paap, yes. And the opposite of sin is? Okay, correct. Another thing, the main or the most religious river in India is Ganga. The river Ganga. It starts from a glacier. Glacier means ice cap. Only 2-3 students are answering. Rest of the students, what are you doing? Ice caps. What is the name of the glacier? Gangotri. Yes. After this, when we talk about Gangotri, the river Ganga, it flows from how many states in India? 5 states. What are the names? Very good. These are 5 states: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. When it meets the ocean, it forms a delta, right? What is the name of the delta, Ashish? Ashish. Sundarbans. Who lives there? Which animal lives there? Royal Bengal. And which kind of trees are there? Mangrove trees. Sit down, Ashish. Good. Sundarbans Delta, one of the largest deltas in the world, home to mangroves and Royal Bengal tiger. Another thing, that Ganga is a lifeline for 400 million people. How can a river be a lifeline? What does a river do to provide lifeline? For drinking water and irrigation of the fields and fishing communities. Okay, let's move ahead now. पैसेज वन, डिड वी रीड द पैसेज वन? हाँ बेटा, हमने रीड किया है क्या पैसेज वन? यस, नो, कुछ तो बोलो। यस, तो ये जो रिवर गंगा है उसी की तरह राजस्थान में भी बहुत सारी रिवर्स है. वन ऑफ द मेन रिवर्स आर इन राजस्थान लूनी रिवर. वन ऑफ द मेन रिवर्स है लूनी. Luni and other examples are Chambal and Banas. Okay, when we talk about Luni River, it started from which district? Ajmer. What was the name of Luni River in that district? What was it called? Dhulmati. Okay. It started from Ajmer, birthplace is Ajmer, and it was called Dhulamati or Dhulmati, whatever you say it. And it is every river, most of the times rivers start from a mountain. Right? Ganga started from Himalayas and Luni river started from Aravali range. What does Aravali range do? Aravali range क्या करती है राजस्थान में? It divides Rajasthan in two parts, right? When we talk about Rajasthan, जब हम राजस्थान का मैप देखते हैं तो Aravali ranges it divides Rajasthan into two different parts. Okay, Navya, sit properly. Okay, another thing that we studied was what is the route of river Luni? It starts from Ajmer. First stop is Nagaur, then Pali. Means it starts from Ajmer, then Nagaur, then Jodhpur, Jalore and Pali. Where these lands are harsh. Harsh means not soft, right? Opposite of soft is harsh. And what is similar to soft? Softly. What is the synonym? Gently. Good. Harsh and rocky. Rocky means full of rocks, due to which the river water becomes salty. यहाँ तक क्लियर है बेटा? नेक्स्ट पैसेज में आऊं मैं. पैसेज 2. रिवर्स ऑटोबायोग्राफी. यानी हम रिवर, कौन सी रिवर की बात कर रहे हैं? लूनी रिवर. Arav, please stop drawing or painting whatever you are doing and pay attention here. That's how I got my name Luni, which comes from the Marwadi word loon, meaning salt. Means हमने अभी हमें पता चला, we come to know that Luni river is salty. The water has turned salty. Why it turned salty or how it turned salty? From the harsh and rocky land. That's why in Marwadi the word is loon. Loon means namak, or in English salt. That's why the river is named Luni. Means from the first line of the passage you get a question that why is the river named Luni? Because there is a Marwadi word which loon, which means salt, and the river water is salt. When it rains well, I carry a lot of water. Sometimes I can't hold it all, and this leads to the excess of water causing flash floods. Now, what are flash floods? Floods, you know. Now, what are flash floods? अच्छा, हमने फ्लैश वर्ड कहाँ सुना है सबसे ज्यादा? हाँ, मूवीज में, मार्वल्स में. अच्छा, मैंने तो नहीं देखा. बताओ आप लोग क्या होता है उसमें? नाम है किसी का फ्लैश? What is special about him? He runs fast. Okay, very fast. Another thing, और कहीं सुना है हमने फ्लैश? Flashlight, right? It is like a spark. So means suddenness, sudden flood. It means flash flood. Flash floods means sudden floods. Clear? To prevent this. Prevent, what is the similar word to prevent? Prevent, similar word? Avoid, very good. To prevent this, I deposit my extra water in the Jaswant Sagar Dam in Jodhpur. You have to remember the dam's name. What is the dam's name? Jaswant Sagar Dam. Alkendra, what is the name of the dam? Jaswant Sagar Dam. Navya, what is the name? 3 बार रिपीट हो चुका है, अभी भी ध्यान नहीं है ना क्लास में बिल्कुल. One, Jaswant Sagar Dam. And where is that dam? Jodhpur. This dam stores my water in a large lake, which is then used by nearby villages for drinking, farming, and running factories. After Jodhpur, I flow through Balotra and Barmer. Sadly, in these areas, polluted water of factories is dumped into my stream, making me dirty. ठीक है, यहाँ पर in Balotra, Barmer, there are polluted water. Why? Because the water from the factories are dumped into the stream. ठीक है, and it makes the water dirty. What is the opposite of dirty? Clean. You have to connect both of these, reader and grammar. Then only you will be able to remember it. Karthik, which page we are on? Sadly, in these areas, polluted water of factories is dumped into my stream. Stream means there is a river and it gets divided into different water bodies. Then it is called stream. This polluted water harms the people and animals who depend on me. Means when you drink polluted water, you die sick. You get sick or you get ill. During my journey, my sister rivers Javai, Bandi, and Sukri join me. But like me, they depend on rain and often remain dry. Means जैसे मैं depend करती हूँ, मैं means me, no ना, which river? Luni river. वैसे ही मेरी other sister rivers, namely Javai, Bandi, Sukri. They also depend on rain. अगर rain अच्छी आती है तो they are filled with water, and if rain doesn't come well or rain is poor, then they dry up. Acha, I have heard this word somewhere. Have you also heard? Where? In which chapter? Antonyms. And what was the opposite of it? Seldom. Very good. Remain dry. Dry. Opposite of dry? Wet. Together. And opposite of together? Single or alone. We provide water not just to humans but also to the animals like the great Indian bustard, black buck, chinkara, who drink from my shores. Crabs, fish, and turtles live in my water too. Clear? Means as I provide water to humans, I also provide water to animals, and they also depend on my water. Okay, last passage. Don't worry. I know that you don't like this chapter. Yes, ma'am. कौन है ये? इतनी जल्दी बोलो. आंसर तो तुम इतनी जल्दी देते नहीं हो कार्तिक. चलो, anyways. Passage 3. Karthik, read please. Read the passage. Recording is there. Karthik, you keep standing. After crossing Barmer, I moved towards the Arabian Sea and enter Gujarat's Bansankha district. By this time, I have traveled so much dry land and faced the desert heat that only a little water is left in me. There is a very prominent desert in Rajasthan. What is the name of the desert? Thar Desert. And what is the another name of Thar Desert? The great Indian desert, right? So, by this time, I have traveled through so much dry land and faced the desert's heat that only a little water is left in me. Means I am about to get dried. And I am moving towards which sea? Arabian Sea. And I am in which state now? Gujarat. I started from Ajmer, Rajasthan. Now I am in Gujarat. I finally deposit this water in the run of Kutch. Have you heard run of Kutch somewhere? What is special about run of Kutch? Kutch. Where have you heard Kutch? In Tarak Mehta. Okay. What do you know about Kutch? हाँ क्या जानते हो कच्छ के बारे में वहां से भी कुछ तो पता चला होगा ना उसका गांव है और इट्स अ प्लेस अच्छा व्हाट काइंड ऑफ sand is there anything special you search about it and come tomorrow मतलब सीरियल भी अच्छे से नहीं देखते हो where it helps in the cultivation of salt by keeping the land wet means my water Karthik stand properly my water helps in the cultivation of salt by keeping the land wet opposite of wet dry for centuries I have been called Maru Ganga or the Ganga of the desert Maru means desert and Maru Ganga means Ganga of the desert so which river is called as Ganga of the desert which river Luni River. Okay, because of how important I am for the life in the desert, but each year I grow weaker, opposite of weaker, stronger in the desert. Uh, Pollution and human activities are making it harder for me to survive. Survive, similar to survive, any word? Live. I wonder how much longer I will be able to help the people, animals, and plants who depend on me. Please take care of me so that I can provide life to the desert continuously. This is the autobiography of the river. Which river? Luni River. I hope this chapter is clear. Yes? Okay, I'm asking you some questions. If you know, then just simply raise your hand. This chapter started with a fair, and there was something very special about the fair. What was the name of the fair, and what was special about it? Raise your hands. Karthik, stand properly. Every time these similar students are answering. Someone else, Harsh. What was the name of the fair? Devyan? Mahakumbh Mela. And where was it? Prayagraj. What was special about it? कब होता था ये? Once in every 12 years. Very good, Devyan. Clap for him. Okay. Another thing, it is about a river which is known as Maru Ganga. What is the meaning of Maru Ganga and which river it is? So that Luni River. And what is the meaning of Maru Ganga? Real? Huh? Desert of Ganga River or Ganga of the desert. Very good, both of you sit down. Ash, कुछ तो बताओ. Aja, tell me what is the birthplace of Luni River? Luni River कहाँ से start होता है? Ajmer, sit down. Okay. And in which sea the river Luni got means it met which river at last? Yes, Karthik. Arabian. Sit down. Okay, what is the meaning of survive? Survive, Divyanshu? Live. Very good. Vivan, what is the meaning of prevent? Prevent. Prevent. Yes. Avoid. Sit down. Sit down, Mita. Good. Okay, and tell me what cultivation is helped by Luni River in Gujarat? किसका cultivation help करती है Luni River? Cultivation of Jay. Jay, you tell me. Cultivation means farming. Farming of नहीं किस चीज की फार्मिंग हेल्प करती है salt cultivation is helped by it. Okay, and now tell me why why does the river have salty water? Only raise your hand, Vrinda. Where? Which harshlands? Harshlands of very good. Sit down. And another thing, last question. Why Looney is named as Looney? Looney का name Looney क्यों है? Only raise your hands. आशीष, because it's salty. और कोई ऐड करना चाहेगा कुछ? Avik, because the Marwari word is loon and loon means salt. Very good. Sit down, all of you. So this was the chapter. Jay, please sit. This was the chapter number 8, autobiography of the river's autobiography, or we can say autobiography of a river. It started with the introduction of River Ganga, that is one of the main rivers in our country. That is the most religious river where always happens the Mahakumbh fair once in every 12 years. It happens in the Sangam of the rivers. Okay, and name the 5 states in which Ganga flows. Very good. Sit down. Vivan, very good. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you, students.